Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see JavaScript basics concepts. In this, we are going to see the filter method. I am creating one example. Okay, I am creating numbers array. Numbers equal from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have created numbers array that items are from 1 to 10. I am creating one more variable called result. In this variable I am getting the output of from 6 to 10 only. I will put some conditions to check this array, and in this array what are the numbers are greater than 5, that numbers only we can get in the output. We can do the conditions. Numbers that array that filter is in array method. I am taking that each item from that array as a number. Here I am putting conditions. If the number greater than 5, this will filter the conditions and give the numbers only greater than 5. Here I am controlling result. If I am controlling the result, you can see the output in the right side. I am clicking the run button. You can see the output from 6 to 10. These are the conditions we satisfy. Which are the numbers greater than 5? That output is controlled here. We have successfully done that program. Like this, in our channel we are going to put lots of JavaScript basics concepts. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and watch continuously our channel. Thank you.